This looks like an ancient purse, but it's not, although it is very old. And once upon a time, a certain Tibetan would have been very cold without it. What do you think it is? In fact, it's an ancient Tibetan tinderbox. What's that? Well, it was the equivalent of our matchbox or cigarette lighter. It was what you needed to go around lighting fires. And it's a very peculiar thing. It does look a bit like a purse, but along the bottom it's got a steel keel, for a very good reason. Open up the purse part, the bag part, and you find inside there's a piece of flint. That was very important. There's in fact a larger piece here. And you also found some fluffy stuff, which is really tinder. Very, very fine, fluffy fibres that were easy to set fire to. And what you did was this. You had to take the tinder and put it out of the wind and tease it out into these very light, fluffy fibres. Then you held the keel of the tinderbox over them, and by working the flint hard down along the edge, you struck sparks, because that's what flint will do on steel. Here goes. And if you were lucky, you showered sparks into the tinder and blew on it, and it would set fire. I might say it's an ancient bit of equipment. It's also an ancient art. I can't do it.